So everybody, this is Oliver.
Alright, we're here in Cozumel, Mexico, and we are on a taco tour. Our first stop is this place here, Doña Dilla. Let's go. Alright, this is Roberto. Roberto is the world's tallest Mexican. He's our tour guide on this taco tour. That was stop number 2 on the taco tour. The super hit, El Super Hit. Here we are.
The problem is I would never know how to get back to this place again.
Exactly, we're deep in Cozumel.
Yeah.
This is our third stop on the taco tour. And this place is called Guisados.
Receta de la abuela, which means recipes from the grandmother.
Ooh, this sounds good. This is it. Alright, I ordered a mole, which apparently is chocolate and chicken. Alright, so this is a chicken mole y chorizo. That's a mole. Guisados, it's amazing here in Cozumel.